Hi everyone. So today I will explain about how we can use Git properly from starting the Git clone and at the end Git push and create the merge request. So from the very beginning, like I will show how to Git clone. So let's go to the GitLab. Okay, I'm the GitLab. I'm in the GitLab. So I'm on the learning and then right now I will clone like clone with https. Click on the copy url and remember this copy url will work only once. So right now I want to copy this learning project inside this desktop with the folder name of learning. So I will create right here git bash here, and then I will enter git clone and right click, paste, and then click enter. Then it will clone the data from here GitLab to the learning. Now here you can see that all the data has been copied down. Then close it down. Now let's see if I want to do some changes. Then I will copy it down from readme to Gradle inside some other project that I am working on. I have closed that button and then I have gone to learning and paste it down, replace the files in the destination. And now if I want to git push, if I want to push the learning data, then I will right click on the button and then git bash here. After that, firstly I will check if the git repository is initialized or not. Then I will write git init means git initialize and then click enter. So reinitialization exists git repository. Okay, now let's see how many branches are in this right now. So I will click on the button git branch, enter. So there is one branch inside it. Now after that I will click if right now I want to create one new branch so that I will create a merge request from that branch. So I will I so now I will be creating one branch with name whatever I want to whatever I want to. That's it. So let's write grid branch and then the name of the branch you want to write, like localhost or Sachin Vinay. Like my name is Sachin Vinay, so I will write Sachin Vinay. Okay, as I enter, there is let's see, did they create it or not? Git branch. Yes, it's created. Now after that I will check right now as you can see it's working in main. I want to change it to the Sachin so that I will start adding all the files inside the Sachin branch and then push it to the origin. So right now let's for that we will use git checkout Sachin Vinay, the name of the branch. Then it switch to the branch. Now after that I will use git add dot enter git repository create. Okay, now git commit my master. Now after that name of the title whatever you want, title 1. Okay, change three files changed for insertions to deletions. And then right after that I will do the git push part, git push origin origin, and after that the name of this branch, name of this branch only, which is Sachin Vinay, and then enter. Great. So after seeing this part, you merge request has been sent on this learning, which is as you refresh, here is a merge request. So you have to just click on the create merge request, change the title whatever you want, title 1 or 2, depends upon your choice, write the description, and then either assign to you or another anyone else, then create a merge request. And I want to add one more step inside in it, that you can see the changes that has been done inside the uh, merge request, as I have changed 3-4 commits, and then commit is one time, changes is 3 times, and then as you click the merge, you can delete the source branch. Delete the source branch means, it means that as you can go on the learning, here is the main and here is the multiple branches, so you can delete the branch you have from you have just changed, which is as the merge request, yeah, title 2. So as I click on the merge request, it will delete the source branch, or I can just merged and let it the source branch there. So right now let it be there, and I will create the merging drum roll, please. Okay, so approval is optional. Okay, merged by just now. Great. So that's all for today, and that's how simple is Git for everyone. And I think it will be wonderful if you practice much more for learning and understanding. So thank you, everyone.